robot spins to background music. Today, kids teach robots to groove.
Kids laughing at robot dance. STEM meets party time.
Title screen, Dance Bots, the ultimate STEM trend.
Child dancing beside robot. Kids love to move, robots can too.
Robot bouncing forward in rhythm. AI brings rhythm to code. Parents smiling as kids laugh. Fun meets learning at home. Robot lights flash with heat. Every move is powered by code. Table with robot, laptop, speakers. What you'll need is simple. Lego Spike kit shown. Lego Spike or any robot toy works. Sphero rolling next to a speaker. Sphero bots groove with music. DIY cardboard robot with googly eyes. Even DIY bots can dance. Laptop screen. Teachable machine open. Step 1. Open teachable machine.
Child claps into microphone. Record sounds like claps.
Snap and clap added as samples. The AI learns patterns. Train model button click. Train your robot's ears.
Preview window responds to clap. AI detects your rhythm.
Robot spins after a clap. One clap, one move. Robot lights flash on double clap. Double clap, another move. Kids cheer. Your robot now has rhythm. Scratch coding screen with loops. Now choreograph in Scratch. Add repeat blocks for movement. Loops create rhythm. Robot spins in a circle. Spin on the beat. Robot moves forward and back. Step forward, step back. Robot flashes lights with music. Add light shows.
Robot dances while kid claps. Now sync sound moves.
Parent films with phone. Show off your robot DJ.
Robot bows after dance. Every show ends with style.
Two kids prep robots. It's dance battle time.
Robot 1 spins wildly. Whose moves are smoother? Robot 2 flashes lights on beat. Unique style shine. Kids clap aloud. The crowd decides. Robots roll toward each other. Dance face-off finale. Kids cheer and laugh. Everyone's a winner.
Child adjusting blocks. Dance teaches coding logic.
Robot moving in sequence. It builds pattern recognition.
Parent smiling proudly. Confidence grows with fun.
Kid dancing with robot. Robots inspire creativity. Quick montage. Best robot dances. What dance will your robot do?
Close the screen to subscribe. Subscribe for more playful STEM fun.